Good morning, my dear student. Today we will take area related to circle, that is chapter 12 of class 10. Let's start exercise 12.1. Number 1 is the radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm. So let's take radii of two circles. Let it be R1 and R2. Let R1 equal to 19 cm and R2 equal to 9 cm. It is given in the question that find the radius of another circle. Let radius of another circle be R, which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of the two circles. Sum of circumference of these two circles is equal to the circumference of another circle. So pi 2 pi r equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. This implies that 2 pi r equal to, taking 2 pi as the common factor, the remaining part is r1 plus r2. So 2 pi can be cancelled from both sides, so the remaining is r equal to r1 plus r2. r1 is 19 cm and r2 is 9 cm. 19 plus 9 is 28 cm. We got the answer for number 1. Number 2 is the radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm. So let's take r1 equal to 8 cm and r2 equal to 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of area of two circles. Means let r is the radius of another circle, so its area is pi r square. Its area is equal to the sum of area of both the circles, that is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, or this implies that pi r square equal to, taking pi as the common factor, the remaining part is r1 square plus r2 square. So r square equal to r1 square plus r2 square, cancelling pi from both sides. So in place of r1 we can put 8, square is square, plus in place of r2 we can put 6 square. 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. So this implies that r equal to root over of 100. It is 10 cm. We got the answer for number 2. So number 3 is the figure depict an archery target marked with its 5 scoring areas from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black, white. Next, the diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm. This one is 21 cm, its diameter. So let its radius be r1, that is equal to 21 by 2, it is 10.5 cm. And each of the other band is 10.5 cm wide. So every band is 10.5 cm wide. So let it be r2, it is r1, it is r2 equal to 10.5 plus 10.5, it will be 21 cm. Next r3, let it be r3. r3 also will equal to 21 plus 10.5, it will be 31.5 cm. Next r4, let it be r4. r4 will be 31.5 plus 10.5, it will be 42 cm. Next r5, let this be r5. r5 will be 42 plus 10.5, it will be 52.5 cm. See, the gold region is a circle, we have to find its area, that will be pi r1 square, area of gold region. Area of gold region, that is pi r1 square equal to 22 by 7, r1 is 10.5, so it will be 10.5 into 10.5. 10.5 by 7, 7 into 15 is 105, so it will be, when it got, it will be 1.5, 1.5 into 22 is 33, 33 into 10.5, let's solve it, 10.5 into 33, it will be 315 and 315, it will be 5, 6, 4, 3, 346.5 cm square. Next is area of red region, that is equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, because it is a ring. Pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, taking pi as the common factor, it will be pi r2 square minus r1 square. Putting the value, we will get 22/7 into r2 is 21 square minus 10.5 square. Putting a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, we will get 22/7. 21 plus 10.5, it will be 31.5 into 21 minus 10.5, it will be 10.5. So it is equal to, cancelling 10.5 by 7, it will be 1.5 into 22 is 33, 31.5 into 33, 315 into 33, it will be 945 and 945, 5, 9, 3 and 10. There is a point 1059, and 10, 1039.5 cm square. Next, area of blue region equal to pi r3 square minus pi r1 square, because it is radius r3 and it is r2. When we subtract this region from this much region, then we will get this ring. So it will be pi r3 square minus pi r1 square, taking pi as the common factor. So pi equal to 22/7. R3 is 31.5 square minus 21 square. It will be equal to 22/7. A square minus b square equal to a plus b whole square. 31.5 minus 21, it will be 10.5, and 31.5 plus 21, it will be 52.5. So cancelling these two, it will be 1.5 into 22 is 33, 5 to 5 into 33, we have to calculate 5 to 5 into 33. It will be 1575, 1575, 5, 2, 3, 7, 1, 1732.5 cm square. Next we have to find area of black region. Area of black region, it will be equal to pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. Taking pi as the common factor, pi r4 square minus r3 square, that is equal to pi equal to 22/7. r4 is 42 square minus r3 is 31.5 square. Putting a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, it will be 22/7. 42 minus 31.5, it will be 10.5. 42 plus 31.5, it will be 73.5. So this much is 33 we have already have. So 73.5 into 33. 735 into 33, it will be 5, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, 5, 5, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5 equal to 2425.5 cm square. Next, area of white region. Area of white region, that is equal to pi r5 square minus pi r4 square, taking pi as the common factor. Now pi equal to 22/7. R5 is equal to 52.5 square minus 42. It will be equal to 22 by 7. 52.5 minus 42, it is 10.5, and 52.5 plus 42, it will be 94.5. Here it is square. 52.5 plus 42, it will be 94.5. We know this much is 33, so we have to calculate 94.5 into 33. Let's calculate this. 94.5 into 33. It is 5, 3, 2, 8. 2, 8, 3, 5. 5, 8, 1, 1 and 3. 3118.5. 3118.5 cm square. So we got the answer, area of all regions. Next is number 4, that is the wheel of a car are of diameter 80 cm each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? The speed of the car is 66 km per hour, so the car will move 66 km in 60 minutes. So in 1 minute the car will move 66 by 60 km. So in 10 minutes it will move 66 by 60 into 10. It will be 11 km. 11 km. Converting this into centimeter, first converting this into meter, it will be 11,000 meter. Then converting this to centimeter, we have to put another 20. It is this much centimeter. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 cm, so radius r equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40 cm. Its circumference, it is 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. It will be 22 into 4 is 88, into 2 is 176, and 0 is 0 by 7, this much centimeter. We know that the distance traveled by any wheel in one revolution, it equal to its circumference. So in one revolution it moves this much distance. To travel this much distance, how much it will have complete rotation? So number of complete rotation is equal to 11,000,000 divided by 1760 by 7. It is equal to 11,000,000 by 7 into 176 by 1760 into 7. When 0 and 0, 10 cancelled, remaining is 1760. When it is divided by 11, it will be 1,000,034. By when it is divided by 11, it will be 11 1 11, it will be 16 into 7. Now here we have 1,000 divided by 16. It will be 2 are cancelled. Remaining is 5 and 5. It will be 625 into 7 equal to 4375. So the number of revolution is 4375. Number 5 is, if the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. It is given that area and perimeter, area and circumference are equal. It is given. So in place of area we will write pi r square. In place of circumference we will write 2 pi r. Pi and pi are cancelled from both sides, so the remaining r square equal to 2r. Now cancel 1r from both sides. That will be r equal to 2. So answer A is correct. So the answer is justified also. थँक्यू.